Hello everyone. Today we're back with Fun with Ragdolls. As you can see, I'm in a blank space. I created this new world. So we're just gonna look at the signs here because I've never realized them. Let me get there real quick. Today I'm gonna be making a grinder or something. Oh. Ragdolls are stupid beyond this point. Weird. So I'm gonna be anyways, like I was saying, I'm gonna be making a grinder. So, but first, we have to build the things. Right, so we have blocks, teleporters, and all of these. Let's use these blocks first. Wait. Oh, I can make them big. Yeah, we have a big block. I'm gonna place it on this other side. And then we can start from here. Place these blocks. There we go. This high. Or should we go higher? Let's make it higher. Oh, well, I misplaced it, but whatever. Alright, so right now I have a ginormous tower. And we're very far from the place, but let's make it higher. We can actually, we don't even need these blocks here. I don't really need these blocks, but let's place them anyway. Oh. Alright, now this place is where a big drop is gonna be. Maybe like that. So then, actually I don't really like this. I'll delete these. Let's make it real. Okay. So I think this is high enough. Now we can get some spawners. Where do I have it? Pretty sure these are spawners. Yep. Spawn, ragdolls. No. Spawn limit, let's say 10. Spawn rate for every 1 second. Hide duration, 30 seconds. Actually, 10 seconds. Follower, let's go. Let's, oh, I'll just go with forward. Color random new skin overlays. Ride on ragdoll. And I don't want car, so select this item. It does have the car icon. Don't worry about it. It won't spawn cars. Oh God. Alright, there. Now we can get all the ragdolls to fall down using fan. Here. So now if we play,
Ouch!
they will all fall down.
Ouch! There. Serious. Hey!
Alright, so
Watch it.
Gas is about to
Hey, there is no need. Hey, there is no need.
Let me fly up. We're gonna have to move these fans. And maybe I'm gonna make them smaller. So they don't have so much power. There. Okay. Set our respawn. Yeah. Right.
Hey!
It's working. Look at all the colors.
Watch it. Seriously? Really? Okay.
Alright. So, let's pause it. Let's continue getting our idol. These levels here. Ooh. Next, make them big. Yeah, that's pretty good. here, inside here, I'm gonna add some things. Let's see. Let's add landmines. Like there's gonna be some slabs that have landmines or something. Like these. Just flip them around. Alright, now let's add the mines. I got that. I'm just gonna see. That definitely works. We're only gonna put it on some of those slabs I can put in. And I by some I mean a lot. Anyways, so I'm just gonna build this much for this episode because sometimes it might not upload well. So just make sure to like, subscribe, and make sure to comment down below on what I should make next. Bye for now.